welcome back to my channel. My name is Hooja, and today I got my natural hair out, which means we're doing something a little fun today. My hair is actually dirty because it's been straightened for like 2 weeks, maybe 3. I'm being gross because of quarantine time, but I'm doing a wash day very soon. Today we're going to be doing a high pony, but we're going to have some accessories, and we're using an easy wraparound ponytail that was only $15 from your local beauty supply. But since it's quarantine time, it's also online if you do choose to order it. Let's just get into it. I don't know if I want to do a voiceover or if I want to just kind of talk through it, but I feel like it's going to be a fast hairstyle, so I don't know. Let's just speed through the slick down process. Yeah, that's what we can do. So I'm just going to show you all of the products that I'm going to be using today. I'm going to be using the Pantene Gold Series Buttercream. Also going to be using some Got To Be Freeze Spray. And then I also have this hair accessory. This is the fashion hair cuff, and it is $1.99 at my local beauty supply. So you can find this at Amazon if you do choose to use it. And of course we got brushes, clips, all that fun stuff, ponytail holders. You're gonna need some rubber bands. You're gonna need some. This is the ponytail. It's pretty long. It is 32 inches and it's by Organique, so the shake and go. And it's in the color 1B, and the style is in body wave. So we about to be looking real foreign today, ladies, okay? It was $15, so I'm really happy about that price. Yeah, let's just get into the tutorial. I'm just gonna slick some stuff down. Alright, so now that we have our hair just chilling, staying nice and neat, let's start applying this pony, y'all. So I'm gonna take it out of the package. So on the back it actually comes with directions. It tells you how to apply it. If you guys ever need the directions, it is going to be on the back of the package. Whatever hair that you have, you can either put it in a bun or you can braid it, twist it, do whatever you need to in order to get it into a small mini bun. If you have very thick hair, I suggest that you braid it because that's going to be the smartest thing to do. And then we are just going to make a small bun, as small as we can. And you can either use a ponytail holder or rubber bands in order to secure that pony. It's really not going to be seen through our ponytail because it's going to be so thick and curly, which is a good thing. It also comes with another set of directions so that you are getting your money's worth, okay? This is what it looks like outside of the package. Really nice. It feels really good. So So if someone ever touching on that pony, they gonna know it felt good. You'll see that it comes with a clip at the end, and then it also comes with a wraparound piece for our base. So what we're gonna do is put this bad boy on and just attach it to your base, and then just start wrapping around. And a lot of people do this in different ways, but I can feel it, like it's really tight. Ooh, I'm feeling it already. And it's pretty thick, so we're just gonna keep wrapping around. And it's already separated for us. You're just gonna take that end piece and start wrapping around. You are just going to wrap around, and honestly I'm just gonna stop because I like the way that the shape is going, and if I wrap it around one more time, like, it's just not gonna be cute. So I'm just gonna leave this hanging in the back. So you're gonna need a bobby pin and just kind of pin it in the middle. So that it's nice and secure. I'm gonna add one more. And to always be safe, like, you can always definitely like secure your base, but it's pretty tight and my head hurt. And it feels super good. Like, this is definitely worth the $15. Oh, this ponytail is fire. Okay, like, I'm very happy with this. Like, I'm sad I'm in quarantine because this pony is doing it. Yes, queen. Yes. Okay, pony. I'm really happy about this ponytail, more so because I've been like missing like long hair. So it's just like, dang, this is banging. Like, what? And it feels good. It's super lightweight, not super heavy at all. It would have been cute if it would have fit, but it ain't. So if you buy one of these, you definitely can't use it for this ponytail, but it would be super cute. But that is what it would have looked like if it would have fit. It would have been super cute. I'm so sad, y'all. If you ever do a high pony with your natural hair or bundles that isn't a wraparound pony, I would suggest doing this. It would have been really cute. But you know, now I'm just sad because it's literally just not, it's not on there. I just broke it in half. Well, that is it for today's tutorial. Just one simple pony. Even though my accessories didn't work, it's whatever. We still cute or whatever. Everything will also be down in the description below. I hope you guys really enjoyed this pony. This pony was $15. I think she is worth the money. I spent my own money on her, okay? I think she's fly. I think y'all should get her. And it's super quick and easy. It takes less than like 30 seconds to actually put on. And if you really secure her, like, she's not going anywhere. Like, she's super secure. I think she's worth the money, worth the buy. It's very easy to do. If you know how to slick your hair down, you will know how to put this ponytail in. Like, it's super easy, and I'm really excited that I got to film this for you guys because I'm always looking for ways to be cute. Nobody got time to be spending unnecessary quarantine money. So if you still want to look cute for cheap, this is your best bet. Hopefully I could do another tutorial for you guys soon with another pony. This one was pretty long, so she's gonna be hitting me a little low. I'm gonna be cute around the house all day. doing diddly squat. Actually, I'm gonna be making TikToks. That's what I'm about to be doing. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll be back with more videos, y'all.